be sure to put SONNET 3 into flight mode whenever you board a plane, or enter an environment where RF transmissions are prohibited. To activate flight mode, switch off SONNET 3 and wait 2 seconds. Switch SONNET 3 back on and wait about 2 seconds until the indicator light blinks green. Repeat steps 1 and 2 3 more times. When the indicator light blinks red briefly, flight mode has been activated successfully. To deactivate flight mode, switch off SONNET 3 and wait 2 seconds. Then, switch SONNET 3 back on.